Let's get started on today's lesson. Do you know how to express this sound in English? A clicking noise. A clicking noise. She is making a clicking noise with the mechanical pencil. You might hear a teacher say this to a student in class. Hey, stop making that clicking noise. By the way, she is clicking the pencil to get the lead out. Do you know the idiom to get the lead out? If someone tells you to get the lead out, they want you to hurry up. Listen to this example. If you don't get the lead out, we're not going to make it to the movie on time.